Well, this week, the lawsuit that prompted the impeachment of Attorney General Ken Paxton will be back in court, and it's part of an ongoing fight by the whistleblowers, Paxton's former top aides who reported him to the FBI and were subsequently terminated. Our Capitol correspondent Monica Madden tells us what to expect in court.
Questions of whether Ken Paxton wrongfully terminated his former employees will be back in court Wednesday. The whistleblower lawsuit, first filed in 2020, was settled at the beginning of this year. But the $3.3 million payout that Paxton asked for prompted the House to begin investigating him. Lawmakers never approved the settlement funds.
We will document each frivolous delay that Ken Paxton engages in to continue hiding from the truth. Delays which will just cost the taxpayers more in the long run.
Their case now active again after back and forth in the courts over whether the previously settled suit could proceed.
Most importantly, Ken Paxton will have to testify under oath or plead the fifth in open court.
In Wednesday's hearing, the Attorney General's former top aides won a deposition, asking the judge to compel Paxton to testify under oath.
It will likely be video recorded and recorded by a court reporter. And then that testimony can be used against the person who testifies in any context.
Paxton has not done so in any of the ongoing legal cases against him.
It's just that Paxton's team has been strongly resisting that testimony for a long time now.
Former trial lawyer Mike Golden expects the Attorney General's lawyers will further try to prevent this.
General Paxton's story as to why he fired these employees is the critical question that's going to happen at trial. And what's interesting and different from the impeachment case and the securities fraud case is if Ken Paxton asserts his Fifth Amendment rights in a deposition in a civil case, the plaintiff's lawyers get to argue to the jury that the reason he didn't answer the question was because he knew the answer was going to be bad for him. You can't do that in a criminal trial.
We reached out to Paxton's legal team, but did not hear back.
Now, this lawsuit is separate from Paxton's ongoing securities fraud case in which he was indicted in 2015 for allegedly defrauding investors. That trial is set to begin on April 15th.